Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phantom Frames. This exciting, free add-on for Minecraft Bedrock Edition introduces magical paintings that act as portals. Imagine stepping through a piece of art and instantly arriving in a brand new, unexplored biome. It's a fantastic way to discover new areas and add a touch of mystery to your world, offering over 40 unique destinations. To begin your adventure, you'll need to find the mysterious art merchant who only appears at night. You can trade either emeralds or diamonds for these special paintings. Once you have one, simply place it on any wall in your world. Then, interact with the painting, and it will instantly activate, ready to whisk you away to a new, exciting location. These magical paintings offer a thrilling way to explore, taking you to one of over 40 distinct biomes across your overworld. Remember, once you place and use a painting, it becomes permanently fixed to that location. Breaking it after activation will destroy it completely. Also, be aware that these portals are designed exclusively for the overworld and will not function in the Nether. To truly master Phantom Frames, consider strategic placement for your portals, creating convenient travel networks. If you place an unused painting and decide it's not quite right, you can safely break and recover it. This free add-on is an incredible tool for expanding your world, offering endless exploration possibilities and making every journey an exciting, unpredictable adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.